Hey friends, I hear the Lord say, what is meant for you will not require you to lose your dignity in order for you to have it. What is meant for you will not require for you to beg for it and chase after it and pursue after it with determination in order to have it. What is meant for you comes easy. What is meant for you comes and is not confusing and doesn't give you mixed messages, but comes with one message that I am here to benefit you. I am here as a blessing and a favor to you, and I come with no strings attached, and you won't have to sell off any part of your integrity or your dignity chasing after it, after it has already come to say, I am here to benefit you. A test for your desperation is always a clue that something comes to steal, kill, and destroy. That something might look like it is coming to benefit your life, but it is actually coming from the pit of hell, from the enemy, to derail you into a counterfeit offer of an opportunity that's not from God, but from the enemy, that looks so close to what is from God, but is coming and is testing how desperate are you for the opportunity. Instead of saying, I don't care whether you're desperate for the opportunity or not, I'm giving you the favor, I'm giving you the blessing, I'm giving you the open doors, and you don't have to lose your dignity and your integrity in order for me to give it to you. You've got it. It's for free. And it's from a willing and gladly giving heart. I hear the Lord say, what is yours you don't have to chase after. You wait for it and it comes. But most importantly, it doesn't test your dignity for desperation, but rather it restores. It comes to restore your dignity. It comes to restore your confidence. It comes to restore your faith, if anything. And what is for you, there is an order about it and no confusion about it. When something comes and it seems and feels like it's a good opportunity, but there's no order, there's confusion. You're not sure whether you should be calling back or they should be calling you back to confirm and finalize all of that. Wait, stand. Stand in your integrity, stand in your dignity, because what is for you will not require you to sell off your integrity and your dignity. It'll not test your dignity. It comes with order. It comes saying, here's what I'm giving. Here's when I'm giving it to you. Here's how it will arrive to you. And here's how you can work around with it. And here is how I will deliver it to you. Give me your details. Give me your number. Give me your bank details. Give me your whatever so that I may get this thing that I'm doing for you to you in the quickest and most orderly way possible. What is meant for you does not confuse you. What is meant for you has order. What is meant for you doesn't test your integrity and your dignity. What is meant for you instead restores your confidence. It restores your integrity and your dignity. It restores your faith. Watch closely, the Lord says, for the things that are being offered to you. Do they come without you requesting initially, but on the back end, you end up having to chase for it? If this is the case, that's not the thing for you. Because if something comes and then in the back end requires you to chase after it, it's doing something to your dignity and your peace. But if something comes and in the back end delivers with order, with the quickness, with promptness, then that thing is restoring your dignity, your faith, your confidence in opportunities that have come. And that opportunities are good things and not things that are there to come and test how desperate are you, how much do you need it. We'll just whet your appetite, but then we'll keep quiet for 5 weeks. Watch the fruit. Watch the fruit of each and every opportunity. You will know opportunities by their fruit. And you will know how to move so that you can keep your peace. It is open door season, but watch the opportunities, because the wheat grows amongst the tares. The real opportunities will come amongst the counterfeits. Ask for discernment. Heed. I'll talk to you again next time. Stay blessed and be blessed. Bye.